The Leica Q4 is generating a lot of buzz among photographers and enthusiasts alike, following the widespread acclaim of the Q3. While Leica has stayed tight-lipped on official specifications, the rumors and leaks hint at a camera that could set a new benchmark for compact full-frame photography. Fans are eager to see how Leica will blend its classic design philosophy with state-of-the-art technology, and early indications suggest a number of exciting enhancements could be on the way. At the heart of the Leica Q4 is the sensor, the most critical component in defining image quality. Reports suggest that Leica could introduce a stacked CMOS sensor, which would offer faster readout speeds and potentially higher resolution, possibly reaching around 64 megapixels. This is a significant step up from the Q3, promising sharper images, better detail retention, and smoother gradation in shadows and highlights. A faster sensor could also improve responsiveness, helping photographers capture spontaneous moments with precision, whether shooting in bustling urban streets or low-light environments. Leica has always been known for delivering natural, lifelike colors and subtle tonality, and it's expected that the Q4 will continue this tradition while taking full advantage of modern sensor technology to provide richer and more dynamic images. Autofocus is another area where the Q4 may see substantial upgrades. The Q3 already had reliable focusing, but the Q4 could take this further with smarter subject detection and tracking capabilities. Early leaks suggest enhanced eye and animal recognition, combined with predictive autofocus algorithms that maintain focus even as subjects move unpredictably. This would be particularly beneficial for street photographers trying to capture fleeting expressions or wildlife photographers following fast-moving animals. Leica has always balanced precision with speed, and the Q4 seems poised to refine this approach, offering autofocus that is not only faster but also more accurate and reliable in a variety of shooting conditions. The Q4 may also evolve into a more versatile hybrid tool, capable of excelling in both photography and videography. Rumors suggest the camera could support 4K recording at higher frame rates, possibly up to 120 frames per second, and even 8K video around 30 frames per second. These features would allow creators to explore slow-motion sequences and high-resolution footage without compromise. Leica is expected to prioritize clean, natural color reproduction, staying true to its visual style rather than adopting the heavily processed look common in many modern cameras. Improved thermal management could allow longer shooting sessions without overheating, making the Q4 more suitable for professional and extended use. Visual clarity is not limited to image capture alone. The Leica Q4 may feature a significantly upgraded electronic viewfinder, potentially around 9.44 million dots, providing an incredibly detailed and realistic preview of shots. The rear screen might become fully articulating, replacing the tilting design of the Q3 and offering more flexibility for creative angles, low-to-the-ground perspectives, or self-recorded content. Enhanced touchscreen responsiveness is also expected, making menu navigation and focus selection smoother and more intuitive. These improvements would make the camera easier to handle for a wide range of shooting scenarios, from landscape photography to on-the-go vlogging, and further strengthen its appeal to content creators who demand versatility and convenience. In-body image stabilization is another rumored area of enhancement. The Q4 could offer up to 8 stops of stabilization, a substantial increase that would enable sharper handheld shots in low-light conditions or at slower shutter speeds. Combined with Leica's renowned lens quality, This could result in images that are both crisp and vibrant without relying on tripods or external stabilizers. Ergonomic refinements may also be introduced, such as a subtly redesigned grip, repositioned buttons for easier access, and a slightly lighter body. Despite these changes, the Q4 is expected to retain the premium build quality of its predecessors, featuring a weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis that ensures durability in a variety of challenging shooting conditions. The fixed 28mm Summilux f/1.7 lens is likely to return, continuing its legacy as a sharp and versatile optic. While the core design may remain the same, Leica might make minor enhancements to optical performance, coatings, or flare reduction. Even small improvements in lens performance, when paired with a high-resolution stack sensor, could produce images that are impressively detailed and lifelike. This combination would ensure that the Q4 continues to deliver exceptional image quality straight out of the camera, catering to photographers who appreciate both optical precision and practical usability. Connectivity and workflow improvements may also play a key role in the Q4. Faster wireless transfer options, improved stability, and smoother integration with the Leica Photos app could make it easier for photographers to move images to their devices for editing or sharing. The user interface might also see enhancements, with more intuitive touchscreen menus and expanded customization options that allow users to assign frequently used functions for quick access. Such thoughtful features could greatly improve efficiency and make daily use more seamless, especially for photographers who switch frequently between different shooting styles or environments. Timing and pricing are equally intriguing. Leica traditionally follows a 4-year update cycle for the Q series, but speculation suggests that the Q4 could arrive earlier, potentially in early 2026. If true, this could indicate a shift toward more rapid innovation to meet the demands of modern photographers. The price is expected to surpass that of the Q3, which launched around $5,995, reflecting the enhanced sensor, autofocus, and video capabilities. This positions the Q4 as a premium investment for serious photographers who value both performance and the Leica brand's timeless appeal. Though official specifications remain unconfirmed, the Leica Q4 is shaping up to offer a compelling combination of classic design, cutting-edge technology, and practical usability. It promises to be a camera that not only continues the Q series tradition of excellence, but also introduces meaningful upgrades for both photographers and content creators. With faster performance, improved autofocus, versatile video capabilities, enhanced stabilization, and thoughtful ergonomic refinements, the Q4 could become one of the most desirable compact full-frame cameras ever made. Leica's ability to honor its heritage while embracing technological innovation may make the Q4 a defining camera for the next chapter of its storied history, appealing to enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone who values precision, elegance, and image quality in a portable package.